Welcome. Today, we'll explore a powerful Telegram feature that lets you quickly locate any file and jump directly to its original message. Whether you're managing a project or revisiting shared resources, this method saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. Start by opening the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the official Telegram website to download it. Once launched, log into your account to access your chats. Now find the group containing the file you need. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to locate the group. Click to open the conversation. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the group's name. Click it to open the group's info section. This area holds details like members, shared media, and settings. Look for the Files option in the menu. Click it to view all documents shared in the group. You'll see a neatly organized list: PDFs, spreadsheets, images, and more. Scroll or use the search bar to find your specific file. Once you've located the file, right-click it. From the menu that appears, select Go to Message. Telegram will instantly take you to the exact spot in the chat where the file was originally shared. No more endless scrolling. This feature is perfect for tracking context. Maybe you need to see who shared the file, when it was posted, or what discussions followed. Now you can do it all in seconds. To recap, open Telegram, select your group, click its name, enter the File section, right-click your desired file, and choose Go to Message. It's that simple. This update is a game changer for teamwork, study groups, or community chats. Never lose track of important files again. Thanks for joining. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Telegram tips. Stay organized and efficient. Happy file hunting.